Topic: Build an AI content machine. Create once, post everywhere. What you'll learn today: how to use AI plus automation to create one piece of content and turn it into YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook posts automatically. Core lesson: most creators burn out because they try to create new content for every platform. Smart creators build a content machine. Create once gives repurpose, gives automate, gives grow daily. Tools you'll need: ChatGPT, content creation and repurposing; Canva, visuals, make.com and automation; Google Sheets, Content Hub, optional CapCut, Opus Clip, video cuts. Step-by-step workflow. 1. Create one main content. Example: 60 to 90 sec video or one strong idea. 2. Use ChatGPT to repurpose. YouTube title plus description, TikTok hook, Instagram caption plus hashtags, Facebook storytelling post. 3. Store content in Google Sheets, columns, platform, caption, hashtags, media link, date. 4. Automate with make.com. Google Sheet gives social platforms. Schedule posts automatically. Pro tip: Africa focused. Local language plus simple English equals higher engagement. Relatable problems beat fancy grammar. Today's action task: take one old post, repurpose it into for platform formats. Save it in Google Sheets. Consistency beats perfection.